Do you want to use Feast in Raid Shadow Legends? In today's video, I'll tell you exactly how to use it and level up your champions instantly. So, what is a Feast? Feast is a special item that instantly upgrades a champion to the next rank without needing food champions. It saves a ton of time. First step, you need to go to Tavern. First, head over to the Tavern from the main screen. Now, tap on the Rank Up tab. Choose the champion you want to upgrade. After that, you need to use Feast. Instead of selecting Food Champions, look for the Feast option. Tap it, confirm it, and then boom, your champion ranks up instantly. After that, you need to know when to use Feast. Don't waste Feast on low value champions. Use it on epic or legendary champions where farming food takes way longer than necessary. A pro tip is to know the best time to use Feast, and the best time to use Feast is during champion training events. You will get extra rewards while ranking up, which provides you double value, so you should use your Feast during champion training events only. Also, you can combine Feast with XP boosts afterward to max your champion even faster. That's it. It's super simple and super powerful. Follow for more Raid Shadow tips and guides.